Here's Chris doing what he does best, rotating cars around. Crystal clear. Last night I got my 2000 RL back from my favorite Dent guy up in the north side of Phoenix. As you can tell, this car is absolutely perfect now. I can't believe he got this thing out. There was a pretty good indentation right here, and I can only tell where it was because of the still missing paint, which, hey there, which I've ordered touch-up for. And other than that, this car is looking like total glass. But he pretty much went over the entire car with a fine-tooth comb just to look for any possible need for PDR work. The RL is going for another update tomorrow. It has really bad window tint. There's some bubbling right here on the left rear window. There also used to be a decal in the back window. You can kind of still see the lettering. And other than that, it's just turned purple, and I've always disliked how, as you can see over on this side, the back window is way darker than the front. I like the sides of the car to look more uniform. Just picking the RL up here from Omar's window tinting on Camelback Road near my house, and it looks really good. So the cool thing about it now is all my glass is uniform. So there used to be a big difference between the shade of the front versus the rear windows, and now it's consistent all the way around. Got an appointment to get the windshield replaced next week, and so I think this car is coming along. This morning we're going to tackle a little itty-bitty RL project. You can see my friend Devin's 6-door limo reflection in the side of the car. I ordered a little bottle of touch-up paint for the RL. This is Nighthawk black, or is it Flamenco black? B92P1. Either way. So a couple areas I'm just gonna hit like I do with other touch-up projects. There's a little area right here where there used to be a dent that's got some cracked paint. There's a little spot here on the left rear door. And then I'm just gonna kind of go around the whole car and see if I can find anything that needs hitting. The front end, unfortunately, is gonna have to need a full repaint at some point. It's almost too involved to even worry about trying to do these one by one. So that's probably not a priority at this point. More so just the visible areas along the sides. Realized I have quite a lot of colors here, and I'm going to keep these inside because the garage gets warm during the summertime here in Phoenix, and I don't want things to dry out. Some solvent. I just gave away the touch-up paint that went with the Torino Red Integra that I sold. Clear coat. Let's see what colors I have though. I believe that one is my Aztec Green. This is the Supersonic Blue. There's the black for the RL. What else? This was a Supersonic Blue from paintscratch.com that didn't work because it was really, really runny. Look how it just had no consistency to it. So I placed a different order from another company, Arcadia Green. That would be for the Vigor. Silver, that's SLX Touch-Up. What's this one? Primer. Yeah, so a little bit of everything in here. These were Legend colors, I believe, and maybe SLX. Formula Red, there's NSX. Arbier Taupe, Arbier. That's another name for Desert Mist Metallic, actually, I discovered. Today is another good day in the life of the RL because it's getting a windshield, which has been much needed for a while. I'll show you what the problem is here, and then we'll give you a look at the results. So there you go. This crack started Maybe when I got the car, it was down to here. It's all the way across to the middle of the line of sight now. And then similarly, there was one that came through the passenger side. So Safelite will be here to replace this today. Looks like the RL is gonna make a new friend here at Hanman with a pretty rare A-spec 2nd gen. Getting my windshield put in right now. Okay, we are all back in business. Wow, that is crystal clear. Guy said everything went as planned here. So